Claim: Is FIFA President Gianni Infantino stepping down as FIFA President? Fact check.
The claim is going viral on social media.
Several social media users have claimed that FIFA President Gianni Infantino will not seek re-election next year and will step down. Verified ex-user Indicana shared one such post with the caption, "Exclusive. Gianni Infantino expected to step down as FIFA President." The post includes a graphic featuring President Trump and FIFA President Gianni Infantino with the same caption displayed on the image. View the post here. Other users have shared similar claims that can be seen here.
Fact check.
Truth: the claim is false. There is no credible evidence, official announcement, or reliable reporting that Infantino plans to resign or is expected to step down. He remains FIFA president and has publicly confirmed his intention to seek re-election in 2027. Fact check details. Digit Eye India decided to investigate this claim and found it to be false. There is no credible evidence, official statement or reliable news report indicating that Gianni Infantino intends to resign or is expected to step down. On the contrary, he continues to serve as FIFA president and has stated that he plans to seek re-election in 2027. According to a FIFA report published on 1 May 2026, FIFA President Gianni Infantino thanked the 211 FIFA member associations, EMAs, for their support and progress over the last 10 years as he addressed the 76th FIFA Congress in Vancouver, Canada, and announced that he will stand for re-election in 2027. This is an official confirmation of re-election. View a section from the report here. Embedded in the above report is Gianni Infantino's Instagram post, where he explicitly states in a part of the caption, "I am happy to share that I will be a candidate for the election of the FIFA president next year, and I thank you, my global football community, as well as my family and dear ones for their continued love and support." The report notes that only a handful of FIFA's 211 member associations have yet to submit letters of support. It also states that UEFA has made its opposition to FIFA clear on a number of recent issues, although Infantino is currently the only runner in the election. Despite some opposition from UEFA federations, Infantino still appears to be in a strong position for re-election, with no confirmed challenger having entered the race. On 30th July 2026, Al Jazeera reported that UEFA unanimously voted to boycott FIFA competitions if Gianni Infantino proceeds with plans to sell stakes in a new commercial subsidiary to private investors. UEFA declared that no UEFA national teams will participate in any FIFA competition unless the proposal is abandoned. A report by The Standard explicitly states that Infantino has so far dodged any calls to resign and it is believed he has no plans to step down. The report further notes that the likelihood of him stepping down is pretty low and that Infantino is adamant that he wants to be re-elected as FIFA president next year. Digit Eye found no official confirmation or credible reports of Infantino's resignation, and the image shared in the claim is made with Grok Imagine. Thus, the claim is false. Claim: Viral post claims that FIFA President Gianni Infantino is expected to step down from his position. Conclusion: the claim is false. There is no credible evidence, official announcement, or reliable reporting that Infantino plans to resign or is expected to step down. He remains FIFA president and has publicly confirmed his intention to seek re-election in 2027. Rating: false. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, Digit Eye India.